Well, today, a significant setback to President Trump's effort to limit birthright citizenship. We're talking about the Supreme Court, of course, blocking his attempt to restrict citizenship for children born on U.S. soil.
But Trump's celebrating a pair of wins in other decisions, including the court upholding state laws banning transgender athletes from competing in girls' and women's sports. NBC's Ryan Nobles reports from Washington.
The nation's highest court struck down President Trump's attempt to limit birthright citizenship, handing him a major setback to a key element of his agenda. In a 6-3 ruling, the court said the president's executive order, signed his first day in office, violated the 14th Amendment, which states in part all persons born or naturalized in the U.S. are citizens of the United States. President Trump called the decision bad for the country and said Congress should work to end it.
So I'm very disappointed in that outcome. I think it subjects the country to serious challenges going forward, and we'll have to deal with it as a Congress.
Supporters celebrated.
Trump tried to erase one of our nation's clearest constitutional guarantee, and he failed. We won.
The 14th Amendment was enacted after the Civil War to ensure everyone, including former slaves, had citizenship rights. Writing for the majority, Chief Justice John Roberts said, quote, "The framers of the 14th Amendment extended that promise to every free person born in this land. We keep that promise today." In another ruling, the High Court dealt a blow to LGBTQ rights, siding with 2 states that banned transgender athletes from playing girls' and women's sports. The athletes challenged the bans in West Virginia and Idaho, claiming it violated Title IX, the federal law that prohibits discrimination in education, and the Constitution. Supporters gathered to hear the decision.
We see from today's decision this is not a red issue or a blue issue. This is truth, this is fairness, this is safety, this is justice.
While this ruling directly concerns the 2 states, it will likely affect the 25 other states with similar bans. In one of its last rulings, the High Court agreed with 2 Republican committees and 2 candidates who argued that campaign finance rules that limit how much a national committee can coordinate and spend with a candidate violates their First Amendment. In another 6-3 ruling, the court said it did. Vice President J.D. Vance, then a Senate candidate, was one of the challengers. Ryan Nobles, NBC News, Washington.
Ryan, thank you. And coming up at 4:30, Natalie Clydesdale is going to give us local reaction to these big decisions from our local leaders.